Dear friends, welcome back to Data Analytics Talks. In this playlist, I would like to share my experience with Databricks Certified Data Engineer Associate examination. So, I would like to share some of my takeaways, learnings, and the way I prepared for this exam. I'm sure this might help you. So, as you all know, Databricks is one of the leading data platforms, and getting certified in Databricks is really an advantage and is a power to your CV. Database certified data engineer associate is basically a fundamental exam. It is not very difficult and anybody can easily crack it. So why do we need to take this certification? So once you have this certification, you will know how to use Databricks Lakehouse platform to complete introductory data engineering task. And you will understand of the Lakehouse platform, its workspace, its architecture, its capabilities. You will have the ability to perform multi-hop architecture ETL task using Apache Spark SQL, Python in both batch and incremental processing paradigms. And finally, you will have the ability to put basic ETL pipeline and Databricks SQL queries and dashboards into production while you maintaining entity permissions. So you're going to get the Databricks Lakehouse platform. You are going to understand the platform, its workspace, its architecture, its capabilities. Also, you will understand what is multi-hop architecture. That means this is going to give you a lot. And telling about the skills and knowledge that you are going to achieve from the certification is Apache Spark, Delta Lake, Databricks, Lakehouse, Delta Live Tables, Data Pipeline, ETL, Production, SQL, Python. See, so many skills you are going to achieve out of this Databricks Certified Data Engineer Associate. Then why don't you take that? So, in order to take this exam, it's also good to understand what this exam covers, right? What are the topics that is going to cover in this exam? So there are five major topics that is being covered in this exam. They are Databricks Lakehouse platform and ELT with Spark SQL and Python, incremental data processing, production pipelines, data governance. So these topics with varying weightage, the Databricks Lakehouse will have 24 percentage weightage. ELT with Spark SQL and Python will have 29 percentage of weightage, and incremental data processing will have 22 percentage weightage, and production pipeline will have 16 percentage, and governance will have 9 percentage. So when you prepare this exam, you have to consider this weightage. You don't need to focus purely on the data governance. Basically, you have to give more weightage to those topics which has more weightage. And related to this exam, basically this is an online exam. It can be protracted certification. Total number of questions are 45. The time limit is 90 minutes. And of course, you will have to have a $200 for that. Of course, you will have some vouchers from the Databricks Academy if you complete some courses there. Then purely these are multiple choice questions. There is no test aids allowed. You can have multiple different languages like English, Portuguese, and so on. And the delivery method is online. And basically no prerequisite, but basically the training, some related training is highly recommended. And if you have good experience of 6 months or more, and this is going to be an easy cake for you. And in the validity of this exam is 2 years, then you can take a renewal exam after that. So this is all about the exam patterns and exam questions and what are you going to achieve from this exam. So set your goals and start. I have put together my learnings from this exam preparation. We have 5 videos: one for Databricks Lakehouse platform, one for ET with Spark, SQL, and Python, one for incremental data processing, one for production pipeline, and data governance. These are some of the scenarios I have shared. Of course, they are not real exams, they are pointing to the scenarios that you can expect in the exams. I will share the links in the description. Please take your time and go through them before you attend your exam. It is going to really help you. Thank you. Thank you very much. And don't forget to share your feedback. And it has really helped you. Come back and tell me that how this has helped you. Once again, thank you and good luck to Databricks Certified Data Engineer Associate Certification exam. Thank you.